Good morning students. Today we are going to read chapter 2, A Gift for Afri of our course book. In this chapter you will read about a girl who got her favorite gift. And how did she get it? You will read in this chapter. Okay, so let's start. Afri was a kind and friendly girl, but she had one bad habit. She liked to stay in bed and watch TV all day. She did not do any homework or go out to play with the other children in the neighborhood. Her teacher told her parents that she did not play even when in school. So, first of all, we will look here some words. Friendly. Friendly means who behaves just like friends with everyone. And now, Afri. Afri was a kind and friendly girl. She was a very good girl. She behaved just like friends with all. But she had a very bad habit. And what was that habit? She always liked to be in bed, to sit in bed and watch TV. She didn't want to do her homework or to go out to play with other children who lived near her house. Her teacher also told her parents that she didn't like to play in the school also. Now, the next paragraph. Afri's parents were a little worried about her. Worried. Worried means anxious. Afri's parents were anxious about her. They invited many children to come and play with Afri, but she only wanted to watch TV. They invited many children to their house, but Afri liked only to watch TV. The children got bored and stopped coming to her house. So her parents said, "No more presents till you stop watching TV and do your homework regularly." Bored. Bored means feeling tired because there is nothing to do. What is the meaning of bored? Bored means feeling tired because there is nothing to do. Afri only wanted to watch TV, so all the children who came to her house, they got bored and they stopped coming to her house. So her parents also told her that she will not get any gift unless she starts doing her homework regularly. One day, a new family moved into Afri's neighborhood. The boy Andrew brought with him something new. It was something no one else in the neighborhood had seen before. A pair of roller skates. What are roller skates? You can look here in your word meanings. Roller skates. These are roller skates. This boy is wearing roller skates. In roller skates there are some wheels and the children wear it in their feet. One day a new family came into Afri's neighborhood and the boy whose name was Andrew, he brought a thing with him that was something new and no one had that type of thing in that neighborhood. And what was that thing? That thing was roller skates. Afri saw Andrew going quickly up and down the lane on his skates. She was both surprised and excited. She found it difficult to sit and watch TV the whole day. Every day, she patiently waited for him to come out into the lane to skate. She would stand at the garden gate to watch him. First of all, the word surprised. Surprise means amazed and excited. Excited means eager. And the next word is patiently. Patiently means waiting for a long time for something without complaining. बिना कोई कंप्लेंट किए किसी चीज के लिए बहुत लंबे टाइम तक वेट करना, दैट इज कॉल्ड पेशेंटली. सो Afri saw Andrew going quickly up and down. Afri saw that Andrew was going very fast up and down in that lane on his skates, and then she was very amazed and excited too. Now she didn't want to watch TV and she patiently waited for him. And what did she want to see? She wanted to watch him to come out into the lane to skate. She wanted to watch Andrew doing the skating. So she always would stand at the garden gate to watch him. Now the next paragraph. One day Andrew let her try on the skates. Afri happily put them on and tried to skate. She fell down many times, but she did not mind that at all. She kept trying, and soon she was confidently zipping about on the skates. She wished she had a pair of skates of her own. The word confidently, meaning of confidently is being sure about yourself to do things correctly. And the word zipping, zipping means moving quickly, moving very fast. One day Andrew gave Afri his skates to try, and Afri was very happy. She happily put them on and tried to skate. And she fell down many times because she didn't know how to do skates. But she was not angry and she didn't mind it. She kept trying again and again. And now she was very confident that she will move very quickly on the skates. And she had a wish that she had a pair of skates. The next paragraph. Afri, I have a plan, said Andrew. I'll help you with your homework so that you can do well in school. Then you can ask your parents to buy you a pair of skates. Andrew said that Afri, I have a plan. He said to Afri that he will help her in her homework so that she can do well, and then she can ask her parents to buy a pair of skates. But my parents said there won't be any gifts till I learn to work hard, Afri answered. Afri replied, but my parents have told me that there won't be any gifts till I learn to work hard. Afri told him that her parents would not be ready to give her any gift until she learns to work hard. Oh, That's not difficult. Just don't be lazy. I have another pair of new skates in Mumbai. If you watch less TV and do your homework regularly, I'll bring them for you. Afri was quiet for a while, thinking hard. She then said firmly, I promise I'll work hard. Firmly. The meaning of firmly is strongly. And she did. Afri's parents and her teacher were amazed at how hardworking she had become. One morning, Afri received a box addressed to her. She excitedly opened the box. It was a pair of new skates with a note attached. Afri, you kept your promise and I kept mine. Andrew. Now, the word is firmly. Meaning of firmly is strongly, and the word is amazed. The meaning of amazed is greatly surprised. Now, Andrew said to Afri that don't be lazy. Just do your efforts, do your homework regularly, and I have another pair of skates in Mumbai. If you do your homework regularly, then I'll bring them for you. Now, Afri was silent for some time. Then she said very strongly that I promise I'll work hard. Afri promised to Andrew that she will work hard. And she did that. Her parents and her teacher were very surprised at how hardworking she had become. And then one morning, Afri got a box that was addressed to her. She very eagerly opened that box, and what was in that box? It was a pair of new skates. In that box, there was a pair of new skates with a note. And what was written in that note? In that note was written, Afri, you kept your promise and I kept mine. And who sent this note? Andrew sent this note. Now, I hope all of you have understood this chapter very well. Thank you.